In the same way as we could apply conditional formatting to emails to make them stand out, for instance, we apply conditional formatting to unread emails so they appeared really red, bold and bigger, you can apply conditional formatting to your task pad. For example, if I right-click the top of the task pad, I can choose View Settings. And from here I can click the button Conditional Formatting. What I'd like to do is add a new rule, so I'll hit the Add button and I'll call it Important Tasks. What I'll then do is click the Font button and say how I want the important tasks in my task pad to appear. If I click the Font button, I might choose a bigger font size like 10, I might choose Bold, and I might choose the brightest red I can find. And I'll click OK. Now I need to set the condition that stipulates which tasks are considered important and should be therefore red, bold and large. So I'll go into Condition. I'll go to the Advanced tab at the top and I want to choose a field. The field I'm after is a task field, so I'll go to All Task Fields, and I'm after Priority, so I'll click Priority. The priority is currently equals low, but I want those that are equal to high. And I'll add that to the list by clicking Add to List button. And here is the criteria that defines which tasks are to be bright red, bold and big. So I'll click OK, and OK, and OK. What I find in my task pad is I have a task at the very top, or actually two, that are bright red, bold and bigger than the other tasks. And these are the most important tasks. When you're looking at your calendar, so let me just go back to the navigation pane and click on the Calendar button. When you're looking at the calendar and you find that you have a little bit of free time, perhaps next week, you can add a task from your task pad to your calendar and put some time towards a certain task. For example, I'll drag this particular task and I'll put it in my calendar. I'll stretch it and dedicate some time to working on that task. I may also want to put a bit more time on the Wednesday, so I'll drag from the task pad to the calendar and add that task to my calendar. When I'm completed, I'll right-click that task and I'll mark it as complete. When I'm looking at the tasks folder in my navigation pane, the important thing to realise is you can also view your tasks in a variety of ways, in the same way as you can view your contacts and calendar in a variety of ways. When I'm in the tasks folder and I look at the Home tab in the ribbon, I have an option Current View, and I'm seeing a simple list, but I could change this to a detailed list. I could also change it to an active list, and I have no tasks that are active at the moment. And I could prioritise my tasks as well. So you can view your tasks in a variety of ways, but I'll go back to Simple List. Also, I can sort my tasks just by clicking on the column heading Subject, or clicking on Date Completed, or clicking on the Due Date to sort by due date in ascending or descending order.